Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play LEGO Dimensions, clarifying its platform availability. Unfortunately, LEGO Dimensions was never released for the Nintendo Switch. It's important to know this upfront to avoid confusion. The game requires specific hardware and a physical starter pack, which are only compatible with its original launch consoles. To play LEGO Dimensions, you'll need one of the compatible consoles. These include the PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4, as well as the Xbox 360 and Xbox One. Additionally, the game is available for the Nintendo Wii U. Each platform requires its specific game disc and the corresponding toy pad portal. Make sure to match the game version to your console for proper functionality. Once you have a compatible console, the next step is to get the LEGO Dimensions starter pack. This essential pack contains the game disc, the USB-connected toy pad, and 3 initial minifigures: Batman, Gandalf, and Wildstyle. You'll place these figures on the toy pad to bring them into the game world. Many additional expansion packs are available to enhance your adventure. Finding LEGO Dimensions today often means looking for pre-owned copies. Check online marketplaces or specialty game stores for starter packs and expansion sets. Always verify that the game disc and toy pad are for your specific console to ensure compatibility. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. It's a fantastic way to keep your ride smelling fresh while you hunt for those rare LEGO figures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.